Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to get the host machine's architecture. We will find out if host machine has 32-bit or 64-bit processor architecture. And we will also get the host machine name. So first we are going to define our function to get the architecture for our host machine. And I will import struct and I will use a structs method called calc size and pass in a white pointer. Struct is a module for packing and unpacking data to and from C representation. And we are going to pass a P, which will represent a white pointer. On 32-bit system, a pointer is 4 bytes. And on 64-bit system, pointer requires 8 bytes. So this struct method calculate size with P will calculate the number of bytes required to store our single pointer. It will return 4 on a 32-bit system and 8 on 64-bit system. Let's see how to use in our function. First, I'm going to define get underscore arc for architecture, and then we are just going to return int struct dot calc size and our white pointer multiply by 8. And then I'm going to just call this function. And this will be get underscore arc. And I will pass this to print so we can print the return value. This is to get the architecture of our host machine. And now I'm going to define a method or function to get the name of the host machine. And for that, I need to import socket module. Just going to import socket and define our function over here. I will do after this. And it will be define get device and this will return the name of the host machine. So I need to call socket dot get fqdn and also return at the same time socket dot get fqdn and pass in socket dot get host name. That's it. It's very simple. And now I'm going to pass in to a print function. First, I'm going to print the architecture, then the machine name, or we just go on print the machine name first. It's going to be over here. The name of our host machine and pass into print function. Just save our script and run. And here is the output. The host machine name is asympcode and architecture is 64-bit. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, asympcode. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.